Here in this experiment, we create a DNS server. DNS is nothing but a domain name system in which the IP when we transfer any information from one PC to another PC, or the fetching information from the server, it is we have to know the IP address of that PC or that server. But human beings cannot remember the IP addresses. For that purpose, we are giving a URL. That means it is a conversion of IP address to URL for the remembering purpose. Here, there are two PCs which are connected to the router, and the one is a server. This server is nothing which is act as a DNS server. Then first assign the IP address to that PC. That is we already assigned here. It is a 10.0.0.2, and subnet mask default gateway. Default gateway, that is a 10.0.0.1, which is the address of the router, because router act as a default gateway for that PC. That is a 10.0.0.1, and subnet mask is given. Then go to the next PC and give the IP address. Same like that. That is a 10.0.0.3, and the default gateway. That is a router address. This is the switch which are used to connect the PCs. This is the server. This server which is act as a DNS. For acting as a DNS, we give a services, that is a DNS services. Here we give a website name, that is a www.google.com, and the address of 10.0.0.10. This address is the address of the DNS server. So we, for fetching the www.google.com, we give the address of the DNS server to that PC. That is nothing but that here we give the 10.0.0.10, and the here for the next PC it is also given, that is a 10.0.0.10. Now we have to fetch the www.google.com. So go to the web browser, and then fetch that instruction. Sorry, fetch that website, that is a www.google.com, and go. Here successfully we successfully fetched that www.google.com because of only that DNS services. That is the www.google.com. Here the information that is fetching, which is from the index.html page. This is all about the DNS server. So thank you for watching.